Okay, all right, gentlemen. So this is a lecturate mock analysis of one of the aspirant Yugendra. So what we're going to do here, Yugendra, we'll go forward and we will going to play your lecturate what you spoke. As you can see on the screen, all of you can see these are the three topics which Yogendra got in his cue card. He picked up one topic and he has been speaking on that topic. We will listen to you, Yogendra, what you have spoken, and after that we're going to do analysis. So let's go forward and let's start.
Good evening, gentlemen. Today, I would like to speak on the given topic, that is role of youth in society. So, initially, I would like to start my topic by that why youth is so important. For youth is considered to be so important. If we talk about India, then about 37% of India's population consists of youth, and the importance of youth is that youth has very creative ideas and innovative ideas which can be used for the development of the nation, and it can take any nation to a world top class level. And today it is so important that it is considered as one of the main concept on which the development of a nation is directly or indirectly is depends. So if we talk about the role of youth in society, then there are many roles which a youth can play in the upliftment of a country, such as in politics, where in we talk about India, then India has such a vast population, and it is second largest country with the population wise, and therefore it becomes a very tough task for a country like India, and for government to run a country in a very smooth way. So for that, today we see that in parliament also there have been many people who are very old. So I think that here youth can play a role. Youth can government can increase the participation of youth so that new and innovative ideas can be used for the development of the nation. Now again, if we talk about the negatives, that is why what is the reason behind it India is not uh, able to give such a priority to youth till now. The first main reason is that youth can be easily manipulated by the other people, and there is that youth lacks the experience, because most of the youth ideas that youth have are not are just imagination, but they works 90% they works for the betterment of the society only, and there are 10% cases where it may fail, but it is worth risking by making the youth in the participation to run a country. Then again, if we talk about other roles, then youth has already been playing a major role in various fields too, such as in various science and technology. If we talk about that, such as for example, DRDO, and uh, in the, uh, in the end, I would like to sum up my speech by saying that yes, youth plays a very vital role uh, for the overall development of a nation. So here, I would like to say that if we will. We do not need to rely so much on youth, but at least we need to give a chance so that
No,
they can take our nation to a higher level. Thank you.
okay. Just number 99.
Rely so much.
Okay, all right, Ritesh. So you're done with the lecturate. We have listened to what you have spoken. So first of all, what you have spoken, I would say it was
Sir, it is of Yogendra and you taken my name.
Yogendra. Okay, no problem. So first of all, Yogendra, what you have spoken, what you have gone with, I would say what you have said is something performed nicely and decently, good into the lecturate, and you have spoken something contentful and something which was very logical as well. And again, I would also rate yours as so yours lecturate as well good one. Now the again point comes in how we can really make it a very good and excellent one. So again, as I said in the other lecturate analysis as well, Number one, organizing the lecturate into the right form is very important. Though you started very well, in the middle also you were fine. Conclusion could have been more better. But within the second part of the core area, what you mentioned, that was fine. But here are two important suggestions for you. Number one, see, whatever topic comes to you, I would always suggest you, if you can give some real example, showcasing importance and significance, or in other words, proving that particular point of yours. Like, I'll give an example. You started with your lecturate and giving a total kind of a perception that youth plays a very important vital role. And this is something has been your say. Now, when you are saying and keeping this point within the second part, which is when you have to speak the very core of the content, do try to give some realistic and real-time examples to back up your point, what you said. Like, for example, you could have said a lot of things. Like, for example, if you just try to see that youth has, how come youth has been such a vital role? If you try to see the Commonwealth Games which happened within our country, youth has been playing a very instrumental role. Lot of activities, if we talk about the largest group within our country, that is the NCC, National Cadet Corps, that is all youngsters and all youth, and they have been volunteering lot of systems at various levels. So likewise, if you give more examples to back up your point, whatever you say, whatever topic you get, your lecturate will become more solid, and your more reasoning ability will going to come, and it will become more profound and enhanced, right? So these are the few things which you can add on. One specific thing, when you said about the weaknesses, you talked about the weaknesses and the problems. So you mentioned that youth can be easily manipulated, right? And this can be done. I would always say, whenever you keep these such points, it is better to keep these points from a third eye perspective. What do we mean by third eye perspective? See, the third eye perspective means that you don't become judgmental and say, okay, this is the final judgment. Rather than that, you can say, this is what people feel. Like, I'll give an example. Aapne kaha that youth can easily be manipulated. Rather than this, I could have also said that a lot of times youth are not given that opportunity because a lot of people feel that they can easily be manipulated. Now, what is the difference between the two? What I have said, that is the third person I. What you said, that shows your perception and I. If you say something from your perception and I, that means indirectly this is the way you also feel. आपकी भी वही सोच है, right? And
Yes,
our
sir.
goal is, you as a aspirant have to showcase your non-uniform officer. We don't want to showcase anything where we say that I do not have within me to be that, right? अगर
Yes,
आप
sir.
अपनी स्टेटमेंट से देखो, so young officers होते हैं, so young officers, they are just youth. If you talk about all these warriors of Kargil and so many places, these are young chaps of 20, 22 years, captains, young, just fresh people. All these fresh, if you talk about, they are youth only. So if you talk about, do you really feel that they can easily be molded? What you said is right, but that does not mean it is right at every place. So what I am trying to give you as a tip, so the tip is, जब कभी भी आप ऐसा कोई point रखें, better keep it from third people eye in the lecturate rather than keeping from your own eye.
Yes, sir.
Is that clear, Yogendra?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Conclusion is something was okay, but you could have little elaborated the conclusion also, but otherwise it was the proper conclusion. You concluded it properly. You could have enhanced little bit and few additions and filtrations to it as I suggested, and just enhancing your expression, which will automatically get enhanced. More and more you practice, automatically your lecture rate will become excellent. All right. Any
Yes,
is
sir.
that clear again? Any doubts?
No,
Okay.
sir.
Any other person, any doubts on this lecture rate of Yogendra? The analysis of Yogendra's lecture rate? Okay, no doubts. Okay, all right. So, okay, I believe Harsha has something, sir. What if we have ideas only on one topic, but have more of negative points only on the topic? Then positive. What should we do, sir? Okay. So Harsha is asking a question on this. In lecturate, what if we are having ideas on a one topic only, out of the cue card only on one topic we have an idea, and that too our major the ideas on that topic are also majorly having the negative points in mind. Then how to handle such a situation? What we should do? This is the question Harsha has asked. Okay. So now please understand one thing. Though whenever you have any such situation, as I rightly said, one thing is clear that you need to speak on that topic only where you have the content. Otherwise, you will not be speaking. You will stand mum. That is more negative situation. So number one thing is clear that you have to speak on the topic which you already know. So as you said, there is only one topic on which you know. Now when you say the negative points, see, the idea is, as I rightly said, whenever you want to keep any point of view in lecturate, better keep that point of view from a third eye rather than keeping from your eye. Number one, the moment you keep it from the third eye, automatically you are able to balance your personality to an extent. So the negative points which you have related to that topic, related to the negative ideas related to that topic, that will somehow going to get neutralized to a level, right? Then the second thing is, whenever you keep a negative point from a neutral eye, जब आप एक neutral eye से negative point रखते हैं ना, so automatically you can make a positive rebuttal of it. Like I'll give an example. Yogendra said on this statement only when I explained, when Yogendra was speaking on youth in society, role of youth in society, he said there are some weaknesses. Youth can easily be manipulated. Now here if you see, because you have kept your point of view, you will not be able to counter it now. आप mentally इसका rebuttal नहीं दे पाएंगे क्योंकि ये point of view आपने रखा है. Now listen, when I keep a the third eye point of view from the third person eye, that lot of time youth have been deprived of the opportunities because lot of people feel that youth can be easily manipulated. Now when I say this, it is not your perspective, it's a third person perspective. Now if you just ask yourself, you can easily find a counter rebuttal, a positive rebuttal to it, right? What could be the positive rebuttal? I have kept this point. But along with this, I can also say now, but with the recent developments happening and the way things have been revolutionizing, people have now started thinking different way because youth has proved on a lot of platforms that they are very responsible and it is not about manipulation. Rather, it's about being more logical. Now I have kept a rebuttal on the point which I kept as a weakness or a negative point और उसी का rebuttal मैंने दिया. So अभी इसको आपने देखा क्या हुआ? एक third person से मैंने perspective दिया which was a negative perspective और उसका मैंने what is how, because जब मैंने third eye से दिया so I still have my mind has the capacity to think beyond. मैं इसका counter rebuttal कर सकता हूँ. So I have been able to give a rebuttal to it, which rebuttal is progressive and positive. So this is how, if you give a third person's perspective when it comes to negative point, you will be able to come up with the positive perspectives as well counter to that. Is that clear, Harsha?
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay, it was a good question. Any doubt? Sure, 100% clear? Harsha, 100% clear? Any doubt?
No, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay, fine. Sounds good. Great. So this is the mock analysis, the lecturate mock analysis of the aspirant Yogendra. Hope everyone has understood all those very small things, and now just go forward and implement your learnings, and just write down your learnings in the comment box as well. Okay. All right. Great.